It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday evening, January 29th. I'm James Spann. A delightful weekend ahead and the chance of a perhaps high-impact severe weather event Tuesday and Tuesday night of next week. So many things to talk about. Let's dive in. But boy, what a great day today. A dry continental air mass across Alabama. Cloudless sky and temperatures are feeling good. Like at Tuscaloosa, 61. Birmingham, 58. Anniston, 57. A bit cooler up north, but we'll expect a high in the 60s tomorrow. Maybe 70 in spots by Sunday. Around the nation, look at the 70-degree warmth bulging up through Texas and Oklahoma. Our next cold shot will be in here toward the latter part of next week after the storms on Tuesday. On the watch warning map, relatively quiet. Got some winter weather issues in the western states. But that map, as we often say, will be lighting up like a Christmas tree early next week. This is the day 4 severe weather outlook for Monday. A risk of severe weather west of the state through parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. And on day 5, this is Tuesday, you can see the enhancement. 30% chance of severe storms within 25 miles of a given point through parts of North and West Alabama back into Tennessee and Mississippi. And we'll, of course, discuss that at length in just a bit. Rain for the next 5 days, about 1 inch for North Alabama, 1/2 inch for the southern part of the state. And this is valid through Wednesday evening of next week. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the Global Forecast System. The 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 12 noon. Actually, a little wave coming through here, but the air just dry as a bone, so nothing more than maybe some scattered high clouds. We'll still say mostly sunny. High should be in the middle 60s. This is Sunday. A cold front west of the state that might push a few showers in here Sunday evening or Sunday night, but the day we think will be dry. A mixture of clouds and sunshine with a high in the upper 60s. Some spots may be pushing 70 degrees, especially in West Alabama. Now, Monday, the attention is focused, of course, to the west. Here on Monday, that dying front will dissipate, maybe a few scattered rain showers, and Monday should be a very mild day with temperatures around 70. But big snows developing over Colorado, New Mexico, Utah, down into northern Arizona. And that's our storm that will bring us the risk of severe weather on Tuesday. This is Tuesday at midday. The trough is progressive, very dynamic system, excellent upper air support. At midday Tuesday, the surface low is just east of Kansas City. A raging snowstorm likely. Blizzard conditions for Des Moines and Omaha. Maybe Madison, Wisconsin, Milwaukee. And a band of showers and storms down below that. And by 6 o'clock, the surface low is south of Chicago. And what's going to happen? We should see a squall line, a QLCS down below that. And in advance of that, there will likely be a few discrete storms, and those could rotate with the possibility of tornadoes. Here's the instability Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock. And again, for this season, that's pretty good. Instability values exceed 1,000 joules in spots over North Alabama. High should be close to 70 Tuesday. Strong south winds developing with a tight gradient. So instability, no problem at all. And again, understand the initiation of these storms, the isolated cellular type storms, will likely come during the peak of the daytime heating process, Tuesday afternoon. Again, the dynamic support is excellent. That's the look there at 500 millibars. You can see that jet streak coming through. Difluence, very strong here. The low-level jet is highest north of here. It's pretty extreme, 70 knots over Kentucky and parts of Indiana, but still over North Alabama, pretty robust values in excess of 50 knots. Storm relative helicity values, again, they peak over the northern part of the state. No doubt the greater tornado threat's going to be over the northern third of the state. As you work your way to the south, the tornado threat lessens, but it certainly doesn't go to zero because those values are still fairly high, even all the way down to almost Mobile. And the energy helicity index peaks over 1 unit over central Alabama Tuesday evening. That's where the best combination of shear and instability will be. We pulled up the analog data, and interestingly enough, one of the analogs that shows up is the Super Tuesday outbreak in February of 2008. And this is the a look at the chance of at least one long-track tornado based on the top 15 analogs here. And you can see that the numbers peak around northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. So we also could very well have the chance of one or two Long track tornadoes involved with this thing. So this could be a very significant day, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night. Again, as we often say here, no need to be anxious or worried about it. Just be aware of it. Know how to get warnings. Know what to do. And we'll be okay. All right, let's go to Wednesday. We are dry slotted. Wednesday will be cooler with a high probably in the upper 40s. There could be, I'd say clouds will linger much of the day and maybe a few snow flurries Wednesday morning near the Tennessee border. This is Thursday. Dry and cold, lows in the 20s, highs in the 40s. And a week from today, Friday, the 5th of February, troughing over the east, and we're cool and dry. This is the end of the forecast period, Monday the 8th. Again, broad troughing over the east, and that suggests rather chilly, dry weather. Analogs, we note the Arctic Oscillation goes below the neutral line into February, and the same thing for the NAO. And as we've talked about, we have a long way to go this winter. But it's going to feel like spring tomorrow and Sunday, but lots of cold weather left. Up on the ensemble, you can see the high close to 70 on Tuesday afternoon. Numbers come down a good bit with highs dropping back in the middle 40s by Thursday of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video here will be by Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters or Bill Murray. I think Bill's working this weekend. He's got the videos tomorrow and Sunday. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.